Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on the Instagram app. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and check if you have any updates for the app. If you have any updates, then update your app right now and open the Instagram app. Here you can see the Instagram app is on light mode. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Here you will see themes. Tap on that and you can choose between three themes: light, dark or system default. Now select dark to turn on dark mode on your Instagram app. And your Instagram app will turn to dark mode. And if you don't see themes on your settings, then close the Instagram app. But first let me set up the settings. Now open settings on your phone and tap on display and enable dark mode. If you don't find dark mode on your display, then go back. Scroll down and tap on developer options and you'll see dark mode here. Now let's go back to the Instagram app. And you'll see that the Instagram app has turned to dark mode. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.